Hi everyone, let's talk foam rollers. All right, if you're just starting out, it's recommended that you start with a smooth foam roller. That way you'll have even contact across your muscles to help reduce soreness without adding too much pressure to a certain area. A lower density roller is also recommended for people when they're just starting out. When it comes to foam rollers, there's 3 different densities to choose from. Starting with a low density, these are quite soft, so they will create the least amount of pressure against your muscles. These can be pretty squishy. Some people feel that they sink into them a little bit more than desired. The second density is medium or standard. This is a little firmer. You will get a little more pressure as you massage across your muscles. These tend to hold up well through stretching, exercise, and stability work. And the third is a high density or firm. This is going to give you the deepest massage a smooth roller can provide, and it's great for stretching, exercise, and stability training. Now we have size. The average size of a roller is 36 inches long and 6 inches in diameter. This is a great size for doing any posture moves like turning it vertical and resting your spine along it. They do make smaller rollers, usually 12, 18, and 24 inches long, which are great for traveling and saving space. Some people say they find small rollers to be easier to maneuver around when they're trying to focus on a certain muscle group, such as their calves. Then we have foam rollers that are a smaller diameter. They're usually 3 or 4 inches. These are great for getting into smaller areas like between your shoulder blades, as well as having the advantage of being small so you're closer to the floor if you have any concerns about keeping your balance while you're using the foam roller. Now that we mentioned balance, that brings me to half rollers, which are basically a round roller cut in half. They are great to use for working out and stretching without having the worry of your foam roller rolling away from you. They are often used to help with increasing ankle strength and improving balance. Okay, back to rolling. Now we're on to textured foam rollers. There are many different textures. While all foam rollers are designed to release muscle tension, aiding in recovery and range of motion, there are different texture types designed to help increase certain benefits. The light textured rollers are designed to help with increasing blood flow to the area you're rolling to help even more with muscle recovery. The medium textured rollers are covered in ridges that are designed to mimic the hands of a massage therapist as you roll to really help with relaxing those tight muscles. Then we get into high texture. These have large bumps or knobs. These are designed to feel like a massage therapist's thumbs. So they're great for applying pressure to those pesky knots or those hard to reach muscles. Think of these as a deep tissue massage where you can focus on trigger points to release the tight muscle. There are also foam rollers that you can set to vibrate while you roll to help you relax your muscles even more. Now we need to go over the materials they are made out of. This ties in with the density topic that we covered earlier. All of the roller materials I'm going to mention are closed cell foam. First, we have PE foam rollers. These are a softer density. They're not as durable as the next 2 options that I'm going to cover, but that's not always a bad thing when you're just starting out. It can give you the opportunity to get used to rolling and decide if a higher density might be right for you. From there, we have EVA, which is a rubber-like foam. It's very durable. It can be rigid or it can be quite soft and supple. Rollers made with this should last a long time under heavy use. And then there's EPP, which is a high-density foam. So these rollers are going to be quite firm, which is great for releasing tension. These are pretty durable with average use of stretching and exercises. So there we go, guys, a quick overview of foam rollers. I really hope this helps you to make an informed decision on a foam roller that would best suit your needs. Let me know in the comments below what foam roller you decided to go with, and be sure to send me some love by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing. All right, I will see you all again soon.